Last one. This is from the same person as the Cocoa Cup. And it's like cake pop-ish, but it's with brownies. So I'm taking a little bit of the buttercream that we used for everything else, and I'm gonna mix it in with the brownies. I left maybe like a 1/4 cup in here. It doesn't take a lot to make cake pops. And again, I'm not judging people that eat cake pops because they are good, but like the concept of it, I still find gross. Like someone already chewed your cake and baby birded it into a candy shell. Whatever. Everyone else likes it. I guess. Don't yuck people's yums, but yuck. We'll get this out of here and just like throw it in the mixer. She was courageous. She did this with like a spoon. I'm gonna use a stand mixer. In we go. Just tossing them in. Now I have to make like 87 cake pops though. Taste test is very good. Brownies are in. Our hands are dirty. In we go. Oh my God, I didn't lock it. Everything's fine. Oh, it's already basically done. So now you just have like this moldable substance. So we're gonna make little tree shapes, I guess. I'm gonna make them like kind of big. That just looks like a poop. Does that look like a tree shape? Like a triangle, like a cone? It could pass. I think this is fine. Okay, well, we're gonna give ourselves a few because we know how this goes now. This would be a great April Fool's dessert. I feel like I'm really gonna fuck this one up, so I'm gonna go for four of these guys. I'm gonna put them in the freezer. I wanna see what this tastes like. Good. Guess what the next step is?
Microwave.
Microwaving. We're microwaving. Oh my God. Oh my God. This time I'm gonna use this because I feel like I want to be able to dunk the whole thing. You think that'll be deep enough for dunking? This is gonna be hours of microwaving. I have a bad feeling about this one. We got our chocolate melted. So we're gonna dip our tree-shaped brownie cake pops in that. And then you're supposed to make like the leaves or branches with this cereal, but she's like on the post, oh no, this cereal you can't ever find. And I'm like, well, it's great, that's great. So I have two options. Frosted Flakes, let's see if these look anything like pine, no, already a no, instant no. They're all different sizes. That's not gonna work. Instant no. This is crispy cocoa rice. Oh my God, it's so little. Oh, what do we do? What do we do? I don't have time to do all these tiny ass ones. That would take forever. All right, I guess we're back to the Frosted Flakes. All right, let's get them out of the freezer and tell them their fate. I'm gonna use the snowman method because that did work. So let's just pour the chocolate over, cloak it, if you will. Beautiful. Need another apparatus to remove it. Okay, we like this, so let's try to stick some of these things in. This is gonna look ridiculous. This isn't gonna work. Oh, I guess it kind of works. I mean, this is gonna be like an aggressive tree. Oh my God, I think I have to do it fast. This has me all worked up. I'm only gonna do one of these because this is insane. I feel like, should I have like thought about this more before I did it? I'll tell you what, it's not turning out great. This shit is setting quick. Well, I mean, I guess it doesn't look, it doesn't look great, but yeah, maybe I should have gone sideways. The sideways is turning out way better. All right, what do we, it's like a wintry pine cone thing, which makes it kind of cute, I guess. They put a star on top, but I don't know if we're gonna embrace the pine cone that we wanna do that, but let's see what we have available. This is what we're gonna do. A snowflake. This is actually pretty cute. I take back what I've said about it. I mean, this is labor intensive though. I I mean, okay. And the last step was that it had, but now like, what do I do? I'm just like fucked. I can't get that off of the thing. I should put it back in the freezer. All right, I'm putting it in the freezer. So let's see if I can pick her up. Very easy, no problem. This is really growing on me. So this is gonna be its stump. It goes this way or this way? Careful. It's a bird, it's a bird. Fuck! All right, that's fine. You shove it back in. It's a presentation plate before something happens. Okay. No, don't fall, timber. The stump aspect is not, oh my God, I'm wrecking the whole thing. I hate this so much. No stumps. Where did these all come from? You broke. All right, I feel like we're back on track. Okay, so let's talk about what just happened here. Couldn't find the right ingredients, but you're gonna probably want us to do it anyway. The rest of it wasn't that hard. I just feel like, yeah, it's cute, but like the execution isn't practical at all. So for ease, I'm giving it like a 4 because it wasn't easy once you like were trying to stick those things in. Maybe with the right cereal it would be, but if it's hard to find, impossible to find, then people can't do that. As far as cuteness, I give this a 7. I'm gonna bump the cocoa down to a 6. I just pulled an 8, but now I get why he does it. All right, let's get him in here and he can really assess the situation.